Making money on TikTok has never been easier than nowadays. TikTok creativity program is crushing it. People are making thousands of dollars just by uploading short-form content on TikTok. So to be part of these successes, you need only 3 things. The first one, you need to have 10,000 followers as well as 100,000 likes. The second one is uploading a 1-minute video, and the third one is choosing the right niche. So in these video, I will show the best niche that has the potential to earn you a ton of money. So now let's start with the niche. I always choose a niche based on these factors. 1, is these niche evergreen niche, means is it will stay forever. 2, does these niche solve a problem? 3rd, can I do affiliate marketing with these niche? Now I have already got a niche that is based on these 3 factors I mentioned, but before I show you the TikTok account that is doing crazy first, I need you to know that after these video people gonna copy it with the same steps. So I recommend making your unique way based on it. Also be fast on starting. So the account is called Healthkeeper. These account talks about health, and these account have 145,000 followers and 844,000 likes. So now let's say these account post only 2 videos a day, and TikTok pays $1 for 1,000 views, means 0.001 for 1 view. Okay, now let's add the 2 latest video views and multiply by 0.001. It's $500 every day. Let's multiply by 30 days. It's $15,000 every month. But don't forget, we assume that these videos upload 2 videos a day. It can be more or less, as well as the views differentiate from one video to another videos. So if we want to scale the income, we just need to upload more videos, like 4 videos a day, and we can generate up to $10,000 every month. Now let's see how we can create these video. Okay, first let's watch one video from these account to get a hint on what we are creating.
Signs you have cancer and don't know it. Number 1, unexplained weight loss. If you are losing weight without trying, it can be a symptom of cancer. Consult a doctor if you experience unexplained weight loss.
As you see, these video contain script, voiceover, B-roll, captions, and animation. So let's start with the script. For a script, we will use ChatGPT, so just ask for 10 symptoms for any disease. For these tutorial, I will ask ChatGPT for 10 symptoms of blood cancer and explanation for every symptom. Okay, after ChatGPT gave us answers, let's take the symptom with the explanation, and again, let's ChatGPT to give us a prompt for image to create using AI for every symptom. After that, let's add to every disease symptom, consult a doctor if you have, add here the symptom you have. So we have a script, so let's jump to voiceover. For voiceover, as I always explain in all my videos, we will use 11 Labs, because 11 Labs is the best tool to use for voice ever. 11 Labs has the most realistic voice. Even the voice you hear now is from 11 Labs, and the most unique thing about 11 Labs is you can clone your voice. Also, 11 Labs have launched the dubbing tool, so now you can translate your video into 29 languages. You can dub your audiobooks, podcasts, or videos like interviews. Also conveniently fetch and integrate media by simply using a direct link to the content. It's easy to get started. You provide the video, select the target language, and AI does the rest. It analyzes the audio, translates the speech, and synthesizes the translated text into a new audio track that maintains the original voice tone and style. You will get results dubbed version of your video that sounds natural and authentic. So I think 11 Labs is the present and the future of voiceover. So make sure to check my description below to get the best tool for voiceover. Now let's choose which voice we will use and paste the script, okay? After we are done generating the voiceover, let's jump to the B-roll. We need to generate images for the video using AI. So for these, we will use Leonardo.ai because it's free, okay? In Leonardo.ai, you need to change the ratio to 9:16 because it's for TikTok. After that, let's choose the model for the image. I think Albedo Base XL is good, but you can try other models. So now, for the case of these video, I will generate the images fast, okay? Now after we did these, let's jump to video editing. For video editing, we will use CapCut because CapCut is free. And I love CapCut for many reasons. We will see one of the reasons on the way. First, let's grab the voiceover to the timeline. Now let's remove the gaps or the silence. After that, let's add the B-roll for each one. After that, we're gonna add animation for the images. I will use the combo in and out of the animation, but you can choose the one that you like, just make it better than me. Now we need to generate a caption using CapCut automatically. Here comes the reason I love CapCut. Then let's customize the caption like we want. Last, let's add background music for the video. Background music you can get from any free websites, but I like to take background music from the YouTube audio library. Now let's grab it to the timeline and decrease the volume to less than 16. So now we completed step by step how to create these videos. First, let's watch what we created.
10 signs you have blood cancer and you don't know. Number 1, unexplained fatigue and weakness. This could be due to the bone marrow not producing enough healthy red blood cells, leading to anemia and oxygen deprivation. Consult a doctor if you have these symptoms. Number 2, frequent infections. A lack of adequate white blood cells, leukopenia, leukemia can weaken the immune system, making you more susceptible to infections like colds, flu, or pneumonia. Consult a doctor if you have these symptoms. Number 3. Fever and chills. This can be a sign of the body fighting an infection or inflammation related to the cancer. Consult a doctor if you have these symptoms. Number 4. Easy bruising and bleeding. Abnormal platelet levels, thrombocytopenia, can impair blood clotting, leading to excessive bruising or bleeding from minor cuts. Consult a doctor if you have these symptoms. Number 5. Swollen lymph nodes. Lymph nodes are part of the immune system. Enlarged nodes in the neck, armpits, or groin can be a sign the body is fighting an infection or responding to cancer cells. Consult a doctor if you have these symptoms. Number 6. Bone pain. Some blood cancers, like leukemia or multiple myeloma, can affect the bone marrow, causing pain and tenderness. Consult a doctor if you have these symptoms. Number 7. Unexplained weight loss. Loss of appetite, nausea, or increased metabolism can lead to weight loss in some blood cancer cases. Consult a doctor if you have these symptoms. Number 8. Night sweats. Drenching sweats at night can be a symptom of various factors related to blood cancer, including fever, hormonal changes, or increased metabolism. Consult a doctor if you have these symptoms. Number 9. Itchy skin. This can be due to various causes in blood cancer, such as allergic reactions to medications, immune system changes, or direct infiltration of the skin by cancer cells. Consult a doctor if you have these symptoms. Number 10. Shortness of breath. This could be due to anemia, fluid buildup in the lungs, pleural effusion, or enlargement of the spleen or liver. Consult a doctor if you have these symptoms.
So now we have only left one step on the road to success. It's affiliate marketing. If you don't know affiliate marketing, it's the process by which an affiliate earns a commission for marketing another person's or company's products. For these, we need an affiliate program. There are many affiliate programs like ClickBank, Digistore, and Warrior Plus. But to find the best affiliate program, just go to your browser and type the niche you are, for example, Health Plus Affiliate Program Plus High Ticket. You will get many results and sign up for one of them. After you sign, get your link and head to tinyurl. Because we don't want these long, ugly links, we will use tinyurl to shorten it and customize them. Just copy the URL and paste it to Notepad. Then go to your TikTok account and put it in the profile. It will not allow you to put a link if you are under 1,000 followers, so be patient and consistent.